one pretty fast, really. Longevity. Follow what is familiar in our training and in our design of the things that we do. Use the things that are familiar to us. That includes family. That means we should do the best that we can to follow the heritage of family. That'll bring long-term survival and a better life for most people. Thank you now. And those who don't gain from that should. Like I say, it'll help most people. Some people won't try it. And God has a family for those who have never had one. If we seek, God will give. If we seek, we shall find. Thank you now. Enjoy the fruits of the Spirit, the fruits that God has given us. Help us all to have a great day. Thank you now. From Hogg Dungeons. All right. Feels good to train for God. All right now. Take care. Thank you.